Vocabulary is an important part of the Reading Horizons Elevate software. In the vocabulary section, you practice the skills that you learn in the lessons. Most lessons have required vocabulary that you complete after you finish the lesson. You can access these vocabulary words in two ways. From the lesson selection screen, you can click the vocabulary button at the bottom of the lesson details panel. The numbers above the vocabulary button display the number of words you have marked so far and the total number of words you still need to mark. You can also access a lesson's required vocabulary by selecting the vocabulary link from the main menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select the target lesson. This action fills the right-hand side of the screen with a list of words that practice the skills taught in that lesson. The tracker at the top right of the screen displays the number of words you have marked so far and the total number of words that you need to mark to finish. Depending on the lesson, words may be grouped into three categories. High-frequency words. These are very common words in English. Other words. These are less common words. And nonsense words. These words do not have any meaning in English. Click on any word to get started. You will first be asked to spell the word. Then you'll be asked to mark it. When you are finished, you'll be taken to the dictionary screen where the narrator will read the word, its definitions, and its context sentences. Then, you can click the next button to work on a new, randomly chosen word, or you can click on the back button to return to the list and select any word. Keep spelling and marking words until you have completed the requirement. Then you can move on to the next lesson.